Hi everyone and welcome to my Masterclass series video. This look is inspired by my classic Schwarzkopf campaign image which I did in the lockdown. Now this was a really strange story and I think it's worth sharing at the beginning of the tutorial because I really did not want to be in front of the camera. I just recovered actually from over 2 years of dealing with an eye concern. I wasn't able to do my career as a makeup artist, I wasn't able to film in the same way and I was still really upset about it. It was really traumatic to go through that when you're so creative and you're so disciplined with what you do, and not being able to actually express yourself in the way you want to is something that's very scary sometimes. I also this isn't something that I speak about on my YouTube videos, but when I was a kid I actually didn't hear very well. I actually had to have my eardrums repaired and I lost my vision, so I couldn't see up close since I was a very small child. So I think when you are already kind of going through processes where you can't see anyway, and I can't see anything in the shower, I'm legally blind, so it's not like short-sighted, I'm already sort of impaired. To have something that goes on that sort of compounds that feeling is really bad. And I think that I just really didn't want to do anything. I felt a bit sort of okay, I'm just going to do things behind the scenes. I'm not going to celebrate my past work anymore. I'm just going to focus on doing things for other people. And it was a weird thing because Mark, my partner, kept saying to me, Joe, you can't waste what you're good at. Are you crazy? You're so talented and you're such an inspiration to people and you've been out of the game for a few minutes because of an injury. It's not because you chose to retire. So get back in it. And I kept getting offered these incredible gigs and it was frustrating because I would go to these management meetings and people that had joined social media marketing didn't know my backstory. So they didn't know how much views I had on my old videos. They didn't know the impact I'd had on certain influencers and where things started, which was mostly from my little group of LGBT people. It felt a bit like I was barking at the moon sometimes because I was like, what is going on here? People don't know their back history. They don't know where I came from. They don't know what I'm doing. And I kept thinking if I keep on doing these silly gigs, I'm going to get to the point where I'm just going to stop this completely because I can't stand it. But I did it. And I remember I put my hair up in this big quiff and used some blue hair dye and thought, okay, I'm not going to even put much makeup on. I'm just going to put some black lipstick on and foundation, make the brows look funky, and that's it. And I took the image and I sent it to Mark and he was like, what the hell? It looks like you've just been shot by someone incredible. And I went, really? Do you think I can still do it? And then he really encouraged me to get back into it. So it was almost like my Renaissance image. And I really loved that image because it's so simple. It's androgynous. It's something that's classic. You can create it with my matte collection. So definitely one I had to include. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial series. Please check out my MAC makeup collection. It is the blueprint of all my work. It's the products that I grew up using. Don't forget to grab those stickers. They're really a touch of the JH magic and I hope you love them. So yes, thank you guys for watching.